Hello everyone. Thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for sharing our page. We love you and we know we are going places together. So today we want to look at how to use our basic skirts. The last class we did our basic skirts to shape for our pencil skirts. Now, you'll be wondering, she's using she's using a small scale to illustrate. Yes, all the measurements I mentioned are for actual full size, your own measurements. I only use small scale so it will be easier for you to see and understand what I'm doing. Thank you for your understanding. So it's very simple. Let's quickly get to work. Now, shaping your basic skirts to pencil skirts, you don't need to start drafting all over again. What do? All you need to do is to shape the lower part, which is the hem, where you can see you're going to shape 2, 5, and you're going to shape just where you have number 5. But this is your center front and this is your center back. So what we are shaping is the side seam. Remember, please don't forget that it is very important. Now, what do you need and how do you go about shaping it? If you're going to use a very stretched fabric, you can use more than 2 inches or you can use more than 2 inches to shape on the side. And if you know the fabric you're working on is not a stretchy fabric, please, you can use less than 2 inches, probably 1.5 inches. But remember, the skirt is the length of the skirt, the shaping of the skirt, how you incorporate your dart is determined by fashion. So let's quickly get to work. So what do? On 5, this is my number 5, you measure 1.5 inches out. So I will make that 5A, and on the other side 1.5 inches, I'll make it 5B. So the next thing I'm going to do is to connect it to my lower hip line in this direction. We are done already. We are done with shaping of our pencil skirt already. So all the slits, the zipper allowance, the darts, everything remains. Then this will be on fold, and remember the center back will be on pieces. We get back to you to tell you how to shape